In this video, I'll show you how to screen record in Samsung M15. Let's begin. First, you need to open Google Chrome. Then, type Screen Recorder APK and hit Enter. Tap on second link. Scroll down and download Screen Recorder. This is the official Samsung screen recorder. Now install APK. Add Screen Recorder shortcut in Quick Panel Settings. Allow all permissions. For checking, I will record demo video. As you can see, it is perfectly working.
That's it about the video. Hope this will help. Do like, share, and subscribe.